The market is reacting right now to major shifts. Are we going to see a reversal for a lot of stocks? Are we going to see a bullish trend happening for a lot of stocks? Where we should get in, where we should take our profit? We're going to talk about muln, indo, and a lot of stock that hit our support, hold our support, and right now testing our profit taking. So let's get right to it and see what's gonna happen in the coming days and where we should take our profit. That's why we're here. We should we try to make some money here. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. First off, we talked about muln here on our Patreon around the 15th of March pre-market, or around the 526. And what we said here in the chart analysis, we said the support above the $1.54 is important. If we hold it, we're gonna see this reaction, testing the $1.94, then testing the $2.58, and guess what, we're ready went to our target. First, we held the level of support yesterday around the 16th of March. We talked about around the 15th of March, and we hold perfectly. You see how much we hold, how much candle we hold above the support, because it's important level of support, and this is confirm our bullish trend. The price went and gapped above our resistance $1.94 and hold above the $2. Right now we have a technical box will be tested between the $2.76, the $3.50 will be tested. If we get rejected in this box, we're gonna see the price go down, gravitate down. This is normal because this is where the short seller are ready to short muln, as we happened here for muln around the 1st of March and around the 15th of March. So this is normal. Right now our support is around the $2. If we get rejected around the $2.76, this is the first line of resistance where the short seller actually is stand and ready to short muln. And if we broke this level, we're gonna see a massive jump toward the technical resistant area where I see the squeeze for muln around the $5.26. This is my target for coming days or weeks for muln if we overcome this box. And we already talked about it here on our YouTube around the 14th of March as well on muln. We said if we hold the $1.54, we're gonna see the price continue to go up, and confirmation for this bullish trend to go higher. So again, if we go next for our stock that we're gonna discuss today is indo, and as well, this one we predicted the 22.23 to be the support, and technically above this ascending line. We talked about it in our last video. We talked about it around the 13th of March, and what we said, look, we said we need to hold this ascending line in order to see this boom, a jump, and then we have a spike for the price to confirm this our support. And guess what, it happened as we said it precisely. We hold above the 22, nice jump as we predicted, because we hold this ascending line so many times here around February, and we accumulate, then boom, the price jump, then right now retesting, and boom, the price is jumping perfectly around our support. What we should do right now, we have a resistance around the 46, simple as possible. I'm trying to be direct and give you the profit taking and the institution where we dare take their profit before the price go down a bit. For indo, we're gonna see a bit of resistance around the 46. If we get rejected, we're gonna have a hold up, and still confirming that we still holding this ascending line. Look, this is what we should expect. The price get rejected around 46. We want to see a buying pressure happen around the 33 and continuation. Then we're gonna have the price retest around the 80 if we broke the 46. This is major important test level to hold this ascending line. Otherwise, we can see the price continue to go around the 22 to do double support. Just be careful. The next one we have impp. This one we already talked about before. We said we have a support around the $2 and the resistance around the $2.82. We already test the resistance today around, yeah, today we went back lower. So what we should expect, a retest again and close above the $2.82, consolidation above the $2.82. Will test the next resistance area between the $3.70 and $3.50. Here this will be a nice reversal confirming for the reversal and confirmation for a bullish trend for impp. Otherwise, if we didn't overcome the $2.82, we're gonna see a test for the $2 first, then the $1.38 will be eventually our support for impp, period, and simple as possible. So the $2.82 is the confirmation for bullish or bearish trend for impp for the coming days. Let me just go for prog. Prog is still holding our support that we talked about before, which is around the $1.20, and we bought back so many times, 3 times. Right now the price is ready to retest the $1.46. If we close, we're gonna have the price test around this execution average, and we have the price here around the $1.84. Be having a massive test for prog. DWAC, and as we said, the 60 is our support. Right now we bought back around the 14th of March, and right now will retest the massive resistance area, which is the 69. Just be careful from this resistant level. If we get rejected, is mean the price will continue to go down, and if we don't hold the 60, we're gonna see the 45. Just be careful, this will be a turning point. If we broke it, we're gonna see that next time the 83. Hopefully that was informative. Do a live streaming in a bit. Just stay tuned after 1 hour from now if you want to hunt for stocks, crypto, and preparation for the market for Friday and the next week. So without further ado, see you in the live streaming after 1 hour.